Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button right next to the Delete one and adjust all of those options. You can change wherever you wish to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my saved informations has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!